team action plans, and this is our sprint video for the week. We're going to lay out our goals for the quarter and talk about the solution that we're going to make. So our goal is based on the fact that beginners want to build web apps, but they often need direction. Existing tutorials are not useful because they often have specific purposes, so they're not generalizable. They provide answers, which doesn't encourage learning and discovery, and they're often concept-based rather than project-based. So our goal would be that experts can create action plans for users, and the users will be able to complete projects that they request using those action plans. Our solution would offer an interface that would allow experts to make action plans using an existing knowledge graph in under 5 minutes, and users will be able to follow those action plans to complete their projects without any mentorship in between from experts.
In general, our users will be beginning web developers who have some kind of idea for a web app and want to build it, but they don't really know where to start, as well as other beginners who just want to learn how to code through a project interface. Our testers will be EECS 111 or 211 students or other students in beginning computer science classes, Delta Lab members, or other Northwestern students who want to help build a project.
We plan to build this using a Meteor app and a knowledge graph using a structured schema that we're still working on. But the knowledge graph will contain core concepts such as like how to make an HTML form, what are session tokens, various parts of a web app you need to know when you're building one. And we will then have an action plan composer that an expert will draw upon this knowledge graph and pass action plans to create a set of milestones for each project. Hopefully they can do this in 5 minutes, and then our users will then use these action plans to build their project using a nice viewer. We plan to create this composer and knowledge graph by the end of the quarter, with the first step being creating the schema for the graph. Hopefully this graph structure will be generalizable to other subjects, such as how does one build a catapult, knowing all the various physics behind it, and for example, analyzing Shakespeare, anything that has many concepts that need to be built upon in order to complete the project.